This is Michael Altebrando from the IRS.
Michael Altebrando?
Right. Are you Marc Stevens?
I am.
You called yesterday about your client, Eric.
I did.
Okay, this is about income, wages that were reported on Schedule C. And we disallowed that because our records show that these are wages. They're not non-employee compensation. Is there a reason why they were reported on Schedule C?
I don't know if I can get into that. I believe that the return was filed for the same reason all of us do, was that under threat, duress, and coercion to avoid going to jail. And we don't believe that that there's any evidence, unless you can provide any evidence to show that the Constitution and Code actually apply, and that there's any jurisdiction.
Okay, can you send something in writing? Because we need something in writing in order to make any adjustments. So we need, a response in writing. We cannot, do this orally.
Yeah, well, we got instructions and a fax number from a Miss Sanchez yesterday about doing just that. She already told us that everything was going, should have been reversed or should be reversed, and we're going to be following up in writing.
Okay. So, do you need any other information from me?
Well, since I have you on the line, I mean, it's just there's an assumption that if we live in a certain part of the world, like in North America, like say I'm in Phoenix, there's just an assumption that if I trade with people and make a certain amount of money, that I automatically must file a return and pay you guys on that. And so the question would have is, what evidence would there be to show that the Constitution and Code apply to me at all, and if there's any jurisdiction to require me to file a return or pay taxes?
And what do you want me to do?
I would like you to be able to tell me what evidence you would use to show that the Constitution and Code
I just follow just like I'm a taxpayer as well as you.
Oh, no, actually, no, there's no evidence that I'm a taxpayer. My name is Marc. I don't go by...
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
so that's why I'm asking. I mean, what evidence would you use, since you probably accuse people every day of having...
I'm not accusing anyone. If you have any, anything to say, please place it in writing and send it to us, okay?
Okay, but when you determine that when you determine that you have jurisdiction over somebody, that the Constitution and U.S. Code apply to them?
It's not me. I don't have any jurisdiction. It's not me. It's, this is the law. This is the
law.
Country. Live in a country, and we follow the laws.
Okay, but what evidence would you have that those laws actually apply to someone like me or to Mr. Shute?
I cannot. I'm sorry. I can't. Just have to, go. I can't just.
It's that tough of a question that you have to just go.
Okay. So you know what to do. So do it.
Well, it's just that what's interesting is that you guys